The gate of Mahayana, the mother, is the guide. In many languages around the world, the word mama is pronounced the same. It is the most primal call, the origin of all life. In Mahayana Buddhism, recognizing the kindness of the mother and remembering her compassion is also one of the most essential practices. If your mother is still alive, take time to care for her, ask after her well-being, and keep her company whenever you can. If she has already passed on, recite the heart mantra of Avalokiteshvara often, and dedicate the merit to her, wishing her freedom from suffering, the attainment of peace and liberation. My mother's kindness to me is immeasurable. She gave me life, this body, worldly possessions, and the foundation of all worldly knowledge. From the moment I was in her womb, my mother cared for me with utmost tenderness. After I was born, she gave me the best food and anything useful, enduring hardship and toil to raise me into adulthood. Only now have I had the rare opportunity to encounter the Dharma and follow the noble path of practice. Truly, my mother's kindness is beyond words. How can we repay our mother? We should, without conditions, bring her peace and happiness, help provide the favorable conditions for her to practice Dharma, and support her on the path to ultimately attaining Buddhahood.